Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make the best macaroni salad. I am super picky when it comes to macaroni salad. It cannot have too much mayo in it, otherwise it ruins the whole thing. It has to have the perfect balance of flavor, and this recipe is it. This is the perfect macaroni salad. To start, you'll need to bring a large pot of salted water to a boil on the stove. Cook a pound of elbow noodles according to the package directions. Once they're finished cooking, you'll want to drain them and rinse them under cold water until they're all cooled off. In the meantime, we'll put together our little sauce for our salad, our dressing. You'll need half a cup of mayonnaise, a quarter cup of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sweet pickle relish. Then you'll need a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and I'm using stone ground Dijon mustard today. Then 2 tablespoons of sugar, a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, and some fresh dill. Mix this all together. Now, if you don't like the flavor of dill or you don't have fresh dill, you can also use parsley in the same amount. Just make sure you mince it up nice and small. Pour your cooked and cooled pasta into a large mixing bowl. And then it's time to add in all of our toppings. The first thing that I always add in is little small cubes of cheddar cheese. I love this addition. If you don't want to spend the time to cube it up all small, you can also just add in shredded cheese. We'll get that in a little pile here. Then I also add in half of a diced red onion, and you want the red onion because it's meant to be eaten raw and it's such a pretty color. And then 4 celery stalks that you dice up. You want to have all of these a small dice so that they're all just tiny bite-sized pieces. And then a cup of thawed frozen peas, 1 small diced red bell pepper. It's all just so colorful and pretty. Last, we just need to toss on our dressing. Drizzle it all on, scrape the bowl, and give this all a toss. This is the perfect macaroni salad. Not a lot of mayo and a whole lot of flavor. Pop some plastic wrap on top and let it chill in the fridge for at least 1 hour before serving. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.